A snoring dog. I'm sorry.
Me doing the slam. You ain't allowed to come on here. I done the elbow and went bosher. Ready?
Yeah.
Watch this, guys.
How was that meant to be painful? Alright, I'm going to stop right there when you put the ball on your head because that was just weird. I did that.
Not all of it.
Most of it.
Oh no, because you were spiteful.
I was spiteful actually. It's mine. Cole Billy 2050. That's my greenhouse, by the way. I built it all by myself. No help from anyone. Apart from my dad, he kind of held up all the stuff and whatnot. He passed me some of the things. But apart from that, I built this entirely by myself. Random lids, random pot, random teacup, random scissors that I will cut your throat with. Random paint, random thing, random, random tape down, random boy.
Hey, can we watch it?
No. Random shovel. In fact, this is not random. Fine. This is not random. We are watching it in the car actually because I'm recording in the car. This is not random. This is my perfect shovel. See, not a single rust on it.
There's rust proof.
Rust proof.
Yeah,
Definitely rust proof. Daddy's calling me spiteful, and he's the one not letting me come on there.
No, it's not yours, you share it.
Am I spiteful?
Is it?